Hello friends, very good morning. Myself Dr. M.H. Annaya, and in today's video we will learn how to draw the development of a tray which has got the sloping surfaces on the lateral side. It is something like this, friends. So it is a rectangular shaped tray which has got 1, 2, 3, 4 surfaces on its lateral face, and all these are inclined. You can just see the dimensions and the front and top views of the tray are as shown in figure. This is the front view, the XY line we have got here, and this is the top view. So in the top view we will be able to see two rectangles, concentric rectangles like this. I will show you one for the outer face, one for the inner face. So this is 100 by 80. The other one is 60 by 40. So let us see, friends, how to draw the development of this tray. Friends, it has got 4 surfaces, 2 on the lateral sides and 2 here. Totally 4 sides are there. So this is solved or worked out using the projection of lines. So how to obtain? Friends, let us mark the sloping surface as AB. So I'll call this as A and this point as B. This is the front view. We will call it as A dash B dash. So A dash B dash is one of the lines and the corresponding top view is AB. This we will call it as B and this is A. Friends, front and top views of this line I have considered. This is the front view and this is the top view, and the lines passing through B dash and B, A dash and A are the two end projectors. So since the line is inclined to both HP and VP, we will not be able to get the true length either in the front view or top view. So to obtain the true length, friends, I take A dash as center, A dash B dash as radius and strike an arc. So friends, I have taken the center A dash, radius equal to this length, drawn an arc till here. So we will bring it down straight up to locus of this. Now friends, A is here. So we are going to bring it to the locus of this till here, and I am going to get this point as B1. And if you join A and B1, this AB1 will give you the true length of that edge. So I have joined this A to B1. This is the true length of that edge. Similarly, for this corner also, we can apply the same concept and obtain the other points like this. So we can extend it downwards till here. Draw a horizontal line from here. Join this point to the point here, and you will get, friends, one more side of that. Friends, if you show this by dark line, this part, that is this trapezium, will give you the development of one part, one side of that, like this part projection we have got. Friends, similarly for the other end also, we can follow the same principle and obtain the development. For example, friends, if I call this as CD, that is C dash D dash, friends, I am going to make it horizontal with C dash as center, C dash D dash as radius. I am going to strike an arc. From there I bring it downwards straight, and I get on this locus a point here, another point here, and I am going to join these two, these corners. That is, say this is C and this is D here, CD. We'll call this point as D1. So this is D1. if I am joining C to D1, C to D1 will give you a line of dimension like this. Similarly, if I am joining this to this point, you get the other end of it. So, write or join these two. Friends, this is the development for the left portion of the left portion, and this is for the right portion. We have got like this. The development is obtained something like this. So friends, now the development of these two, if I call this as A and this as B, they are exactly identical because they have the same height. If they were different, suppose this is 40 and if this height was 60, you would have got a longer piece. But here, since it is having the same height throughout as the one I have shown here, so it has got the same height throughout. So friends, on the same principle, let us obtain the development for one of these two because these two will have the same development. Friends, what I do now I just take this as center, this distance as radius, I draw an arc. So friends, after drawing this arc, now we have this. Similarly on the right side also, we can write an arc here. That is, with this as center, this radius, we will draw an arc. Friends, extend this line downward. This will cut the arc here. Friends, join that arc, the point on the arc like this. You get this side piece, and this I am showing by dark line, and hence similarly on the same concept, draw a line vertically downwards. You get a point here, friends. Join this to this, and this horizontal line when joined will give you the development of this part. I will show you development of this. So this is seen as like this. This is the part we are getting. Friends, use the same concept and obtain the development here. Friends, what is that I do? I take A as center, AB1 as radius, strike an arc. It will meet this here, join them, A to that. This is the other part. Likewise, with C as center, CD1 radius, draw an arc. It will touch here, join this by a straight line and the base by a straight line. And friends, you have got here the complete development drawn. So you have got totally 4 pieces here. Which are these 4 pieces? So this is piece number 1 on the left hand, the second one, the third, and the 4th one. Friends, after getting the development of this on a sheet of paper or on a sheet of metal, we are going to remove this part on all the 4 corners. This part is going to be trimmed, cut. Again here also we are going to cut off that part shown as. Similarly here also. Remember friends, all these portion that is being removed will have the same dimension in this particular problem. So if you just remove the portion shown by hatching, the remaining part after cutting it will look like this. Exactly like this it will look. I have to say very specifically, like this it is going to look. Then friends, this portion I have removed, and this is the way you are going to get it. And after getting this, we are going to fold all this. And finally, you will have a tray, something like this. So So in the front view, it will look like a trapezium, this figure. And in the top view, you are going to see two concentric rectangles, one for the base, one for the top edges. Friends, this is how we obtain the development for a sheet metal tray. So, I am sure you are happy with the presentation I have made on the development of a tray. And if you are convinced with the presentation, and if you have gained some knowledge about how to draw the development of a tray, do subscribe to my channel and you forward this information or share the information with all your friends. Have a wonderful day. Thank you very much.